can't believe it's December already. I know this, I could feel it. This month is just gonna fly by. But hey, we've got 2 events for you to be able to join us in person or online. The first one is a feature of Derek Fleming. This is the man behind New Earth Organics. He's an incredible presenter, super knowledgeable, and he's going to be presenting what he describes the greatest probiotic of all time. And that's going to be happening Saturday, December 10th. You want to be there. This was a presentation that he originally scheduled for the Calgary Fermentation Festival. We had to shift the date, which means now you've got the opportunity, whether you're a part of that festival or not. This presentation is going to be standalone from 12 to 1:30 with samples on what he describes as the greatest probiotic of all time. So you can join us in our teaching kitchen on that day or tune in online. Now the second event is going to be our open house event. We do these periodically throughout the year. So it's going to be Sunday, December 18th. If you got some last minute Christmas shopping or you just want to come hang out, it's going to be a great day of learning, tasting, lots of fun, lots of people, lots of energy. We'll be streaming it online so you can tune in from home or you can come. So that'll be from we're open 10 to 6 that whole day, but the event will be from 11 till 5 o'clock where all the samples will be out and lots of engagement, and then the classes are going to start at 12. So 12 o'clock will be myself showing you how to upgrade those favorite festive beverages, how you bring together the health benefits with the flavor. So classic drinks like eggnog, like chai, chocolate. Well, we got a few more up my sleeve here I'll be sharing with you. So that's right at 12 o'clock. Each presentation will be about 45 minutes. We'll take a break. We'll get the next one started. So 1 o'clock is Vivian. She'll be talking about winter wellness and utilizing, folk remedies, herbs from ancient Greece, talking about their health benefits and how you keep yourself and your family healthy through the holiday season. At 2 o'clock, so 12, 1, 2, that's right, I'm on track here. Kind of an intuitive and minimalist approach to skincare with Caitlin Warrington of Fatskn. If you're familiar with Fatskn, people are absolutely loving this as a brand, as a line, and yeah, she's going to be sharing about her approach of nourishing the skin from the outside. So she'll be here at 2 o'clock giving that presentation, and then to kind of finish off the evening or afternoon rather, shall I say, is Denis Manzer from Boreal Bound, and he'll be talking about the healing properties, the powers of Rhodiola. Rhodiola, this is a herb that actually has been revered in ancient Asian cultures for centuries. The Europeans have been using it, and we actually grow it here in Alberta. So learn all about this incredible adaptogen, how to take it, the benefits you're going to get. That's just one of the many presentations we'll have that day during open house. Hope to see you there. You can register ahead of time. You can also just show up on the day. If you're streaming online, then make sure you do register so we can send you the link so you can join. And we'll see you Sunday, December 18th for the open house, and Saturday, December 10th for the greatest probiotic of all time.